Hi, everyone. Today, we will be presenting our interactive visualizations, which focus on UFO sightings. Many individuals claim to spot UFOs in the atmosphere, which includes mysterious objects in the sky. These flying entities could be anything, maybe even flying saucers with alien pilots. Despite many reported sightings, some people remain highly skeptical of UFOs. Cautious humans deny the existence of aliens, making UFOs a highly controversial topic. Therefore, it is intriguing to analyze UFO sightings, as they vary significantly across the United States. In this study, we will be investigating UFO sighting data in the U.S. from 1931 through 2014. Visualization techniques will be used to communicate this data with you. The main objective is to communicate UFO sighting information from two different perspectives. 1, data analysis through an unbiased lens, and 2, storytelling through a persuasive lens. In this video demo, we will focus on the data analysis visualization. Our UFO data is from Corgis, or Corgis, unsure how to pronounce that, which includes many different data sets. Specifically, this dataset is UFO_sightings.csv and consists of almost 60,000 reported UFO sightings. The dataset has several parameters such as UFO shape, latitude and longitude coordinates, state, city, encounter duration, encounter description, date cited with the month, date, year, and hour, and date documented with the month, date, and year. For data analysis, we aim to display the dataset in an unbiased, interactive way. First, we ask three main questions. 1, how does the frequency of UFO sightings vary across the U.S.? 2, how do UFO sightings in any particular state change over time? And 3, how do the shape of UFO sightings change within each state? Now let's navigate over to our first visualization. We created three main components to explore these questions. On the left is an interactive map, colored based on UFO sighting frequency. Darker colors are associated with higher amounts of UFO sightings. So as you can see, California has a lot of reported UFO sightings. The scale for color intensity is on the bottom right corner of the map. So California having a darker color means a high amount of UFO sightings. This map includes a hover feature so that users can hover over any state for additional info. For example, if I hover over California, a tooltip will pop up with the country, state, and count info. This is the actual number of UFO sightings reported in the selected state. There are also zoom in, zoom out, and search features in the upper left-hand corner so the users can further explore the map. Clicking the home button brings the user back to the main page with the full US map. Furthermore, a pie chart is shown on the upper right. This pie chart includes the top 5 reported UFO shapes in the US. Each region of the pie is associated with a particular shape. The color legend is shown to the right of the pie, which is based on a colorblind-friendly color palette. There is also an interactive hover feature with the pie chart. When a user hovers over a region, a tooltip pops up with details, including the data shape and frequency of sighting for that particular shape. For the area line graph, time is plotted on the x-axis, while UFO sightings are plotted on the y-axis. As time passes, UFO frequency increases, especially once we hit the 1990s. When a user hovers over the graph, they can access data for every year. Specifically, when a user hovers over a year, the UFO sighting frequency for that year will pop up in a tooltip. Okay, so now that we have seen that every visualization component has interactive features, it is also possible to interact with all three components together. For example, let's say I am only interested in Georgia for no particular reason. I can click on the map to select for Georgia. When a user clicks on a state, the selected state is highlighted and all other states are dulled. In response to clicking a state, the pie chart and area line graph will also change. Clearly, the other visualization components change based on the state selected. As a result, users can look into trends on a state-by-state level. So let's look back at our three main questions. First of all, how does the frequency of UFO sightings vary across the U.S. over the last century between states? Well, with our visualization, users can investigate this question with the US map, since all state UFO frequency values are encoded based on color intensity. For the second question, how do UFO sightings in any particular state change over time? The selection feature allows users to choose any state. As a result, users can explore the data on a state-by-state level. The area line graph allows users to look at state trends in UFO sightings over time in a continuous way. And lastly, how do the shape of UFO sightings change within each U.S. state? The pie chart displays the top 5 UFO shapes reported in each U.S. state. Shape frequencies are displayed with the hover feature and change based on which state is selected. So, it seems as though we've answered all of the main questions that we originally sought out. So thank you for watching our demo video. We hope you enjoy exploring UFO data with this visualization. The viz will be linked in the description below.